Two giants in the analytics world, serving thousands of digital teams, but only one can win. Which one really delivers? On the left, Amplitude, driving product growth with deep analytics. And on the right, Databox, bringing easy business intelligence to everyone. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, so here's the layout. We're going to compare these two across a bunch of categories: core focus, data visualization, integrations, user adoption, pricing, security, and, of course, user experience. Yep, we're covering everything, from the nerdy analytics stuff all the way to, like, can a normal human use it without losing their mind? So let's start at the top. Core focus. This is kind of the heart of it all. So Amplitude, honestly, it's laser-focused on product and user behavior analytics. If you want to dig deep into what your users are clicking, how long they're staying, or where they're dropping off, Amplitude does all of that and just crushes it. Oh, but heads up, it's less suited for classic BI dashboards you'd find in, say, finance or ops. Now, Databox is more of a jack of all trades. It's for everything business intelligence, pulling together marketing, sales, finance, you name it, into one place so anyone can get a 10,000-foot view. But it's less about that granular, user-specific product stuff. So who wins here? Amplitude takes this one. No contest, if you're all about product. Next up, data visualization and reporting. Amplitude lets you build dashboards driven by your events. Super customizable if you're into tracking flows or metrics for your product. But you do need to roll up your sleeves to set it up for, like, company-wide metrics. Now, Databox? Oh, this is nice. You get easy drag-and-drop dashboards, automated sharing, embedding dashboards in emails. Honestly, super simple if you want to send bosses or clients insights without jumping through hoops. There's this little thing, though. For advanced number crunching, you'll want to hook up other tools. So yeah, Databox clinches it for reporting and viz. Just easier, you know? Integrations. Let's talk how well these play with other software. Amplitude integrates beautifully with your web and app data, your product analytics stack. It's solid at connecting data from your tech stuff. But honestly, if you want to pull data straight from your CRM or, like, marketing apps, you'll wish for more direct connectors. Enter Databox. This thing grabs data from 70+ business apps, CRMs, databases, whatever. Mostly no-code, low-code. Just point and click. Little catch, though. Some of those need a higher tier plan. Still, Databox wins for pure integration convenience. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Amplitude is used by over 45,000 digital products worldwide, while Databox powers dashboards for more than 20,000 businesses. So, tons of teams are staking their business decisions on these. Kind of puts things in perspective, huh? User adoption. Who's actually going to use it? Amplitude is huge in growth-driven SaaS teams, especially ones that care about user retention or aha moments. But, warning, not the easiest for folks who aren't techie. Databox, meanwhile, is super approachable. Even the marketing intern can build out a dashboard. It's popular for quick wins. But if your team's all about deep product insights, it's not quite as universal. Here, Amplitude takes it, because for teams really pushing the envelope, it's the go-to. Pricing and plans. Amplitude has a free plan, nice for dipping your toes, but when you scale, those paid plans feel pricey fast. They do have enterprise options, though. Databox offers affordable starter plans, loads for SMBs or big companies, but there's the catch. Advanced features, yeah, you've got to pay up. Still, compared side by side, Databox just brings more bang for your buck, especially for smaller teams. So it steals the spotlight here. Security and compliance. Now we're talking must-haves for 2025. Amplitude brings GDPR and enterprise compliance. Rock solid. Databox? Also totally covered. GDPR and other certs. There's really not much to split them apart here, so seriously, it's a tie. User experience. All right, if you live and breathe analytics, Amplitude is a powerhouse. Tons of knobs and dials for the pros. But it's definitely overwhelming for more casual users. Databox, on the other hand, keeps it simple. Modern, clean UI, super fast to get insights around to your team. Just know if you want hardcore, in-depth analysis, you might hit some walls. So yeah, for most folks, Databox is easier to love. Okay, so pulling up all the scores, you'll see Amplitude dominating in deep analytics and user adoption, but Databox shines for integrations, reporting, price, and just general friendliness. And yeah, both are locked down on security. It's a given. So here's my take. If you run a product or tech team and you want to squeeze every drop of insight from your user data, Amplitude is built for you. If you're chasing simple reporting across a bunch of business tools and want everyone on the same page fast, Databox makes way more sense. It comes down to, do you want hardcore granular analytics or easy all-in-one dashboards? Want more modern SaaS comparisons? Honestly, bookmark this if you want to stay ahead of the curve.